Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Kia Sorento brake light. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Most importantly, have your new replacement bulb ready. It's usually a 315/7 type. This simple task can be completed in about 15 to 20 minutes, saving you a trip to the mechanic. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's access the tail light assembly. Begin by opening your vehicle's rear liftgate. Inside the trunk area, you will find 2 or 3 retaining screws or plastic fasteners holding the tail light in place. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove these. Once the fasteners are out, gently but firmly pull the entire tail light assembly straight back from the vehicle. You might need your trim removal tool to carefully pry it loose. Disconnect any electrical connectors. With the tail light assembly removed, it's time to replace the faulty bulb. Locate the brake light bulb socket. It's typically the largest one on the assembly. Twist this socket counterclockwise about a quarter turn to unlock it, then pull it straight out. The old bulb can now be gently pulled straight out from the socket. Take your new 315/7 bulb and push it firmly into the socket until it's seated correctly. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb. Finally, let's reassemble everything and test your new brake light. First, reinsert the bulb socket into the tail light housing and twist it clockwise to lock it securely. Reconnect any electrical connectors you previously detached. Carefully align the entire tail light assembly with its mounting points on the vehicle body and push it firmly back into place. Reinstall the 2 or 3 retaining screws or fasteners. Have a friend press the brake pedal to confirm your new light is working perfectly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.